it's Pipiads. If you are looking for dropship products to sell, in this video I have the most viral product on TikTok for your consideration. Today our best winning product is summer novelty open-toe shark slides.
Say goodbye to foot and joint pain.
Good morning, Charlie!
Sharkslides.com. Wow, they look comfy AF. Oh, and they're 50% off.
Let's take a look. The deep heel cup footbed fits the curve of the foot's pelvic floor and makes walking more comfortable. The whole shark slippers are made of high-density premium EVA material which has excellent flexibility and durability, is lightweight and soft. These shower slippers have an unslip sole, allowing you to walk smoothly whether in the bathroom or outdoors on a slippery road. These trendy cloud slides can be worn by men, women, and children of all ages. The suggested selling price is $29.95 with the product costing $3.20, which would leave you with a great profit. For this product, let's look at the real-time order conversions. Pipiads is a Shopify store analysis tool that helps you learn about your competitors' best-selling products quickly. Keep the page open to keep track of real-time sales. That's all we have to share about today's best winning product. Thanks for watching.